Hi there. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for joining this course. Taking this course would be an exciting journey. I am so excited to start teaching this course to you. In this course, I will teach you how to build that amazing website step by step. In this lecture, I am going to take the very first step, which is to install the internet browser, because this is the very first tool we need. There are several browsers available on the internet like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Internet Explorer. You can use any of your favorite browser. There is no such restriction for browser, but I'll prefer to use Google Chrome browser because Google Chrome browser is designed to be fast, simple, secure, and built for modern web. To download Google Chrome browser, visit this URL google.com/chrome and then look for download and select for personal computers. It will take you to the download page and from here you can download Google Chrome browser. Click on this download button and it will start downloading Chrome browser on your system. I have already downloaded and installed Google Chrome browser on my system. Right now I am using Google Chrome browser. So please go ahead and take the very first step to download and install Chrome browser on your system so we can start building that website with Chrome browser. Thanks and I'll see you in next lecture.